Are you over 60 and struggling with blurry vision, dry eyes, or trouble seeing clearly at night? You're not alone. But what if I told you that 3 simple seeds, yes, seeds you can find at any grocery store, might help protect your eyes and your retina naturally? This isn't a gimmick. These seeds are backed by real science. In today's video, I'll share the exact 3 seeds seniors should eat to nourish the eyes, preserve retinal health, and possibly slow age-related eye issues. Stick with me until the end, because the 3rd seed is one most people forget about, but it's essential. As we age, our vision tends to get weaker. We might notice we need more light to read, that it takes longer to adjust from dark to light, or that our eyes feel dry more often. These are common signs of aging eyes, but what we eat can make a big difference. Medical studies have shown that certain nutrients help maintain eye structure, keep the retina healthy, and even slow the progression of diseases like macular degeneration. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements. 3 simple seeds. Yes, seeds can deliver the vital nutrients your eyes need. These include powerful antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and key minerals. And they're easy to include in your daily meals. So, what are these miracle seeds for seniors? Let's dive in with seed number 1. Before we reveal the seeds, it's important to understand why your eyesight changes as you age. Knowing what's happening inside your eyes helps you understand how these seeds help. Your eyes, just like every other part of your body, go through wear and tear over the years. The most common age-related eye issues include macular degeneration. This affects the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Dry eyes. Tear production slows, making eyes feel scratchy or irritated. Cataracts. The lens becomes cloudy, affecting clarity and brightness. Night vision loss. It becomes harder to see in low light or drive at night. Floaters. Tiny specks or spots that drift through your vision due to aging changes in the vitreous gel inside your eye. What causes these problems? Mainly 3 things: oxidative stress, damage from free radicals that harms the retina, inflammation, chronic low-grade inflammation in your eyes, nutrient deficiency, lack of key vitamins and minerals that your eyes depend on, like omega-3s, zinc, lutein, and vitamin E. And that's where these seeds come in. They're loaded with nutrients that fight these exact issues. Seed 1. Flax seeds. Let's start with one of the most powerful plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds. Flax seeds are small, brown, or golden seeds packed with a plant-based omega-3 fat called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. While not as potent as the omega-3s in fish, ALA still converts in the body to EPA and DHA, 2 fats essential for retinal health. How flax seeds help your eyes. Moisturize dry eyes. Omega-3s help support tear production and reduce inflammation in tear glands. Protect the retina. ALA fights free radicals and supports the retina's light-sensitive cells. Support blood flow. Healthy fats help blood reach tiny vessels in your eyes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular flaxseed consumption helped reduce symptoms of dry eyes in older adults. How to eat them. Always grind flax seeds before eating. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to oatmeal smoothies, yogurt, homemade muffins, or breads. Store ground flax in the fridge to preserve freshness. Don't microwave them. Heat can damage the fatty acids. Seed 2. Chia seeds. The second seed is chia seeds, another omega-3 rich powerhouse. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds that absorb water and swell into a gel-like consistency. They're high in ALA, omega-3s, fiber, calcium, and phosphorus for eye tissue health, antioxidants like quercetin and caffeic acid, benefits for the eyes, keeps eyes hydrated, supports retinal structure, helps reduce oxidative damage. Research insight, a study in nutrition. Research showed that chia seeds can help reduce inflammation markers in older adults. How to use chia seeds. Soak 1 tablespoon in 1/4 cup of water for 15 to 30 minutes to form a gel. Add to yogurt, oatmeal smoothies, homemade energy balls. You can also make chia pudding by soaking them in milk or almond milk overnight. Add fruit and cinnamon for flavor. Seed 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are often overlooked but are incredibly powerful, especially for seniors' eye health. They're rich in zinc, supports enzyme activity in the retina vitamin E, antioxidant that protects eye cells from damaged lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that filter harmful blue light, iron, and magnesium, support blood flow and nerve function. Zinc is especially important. It helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina and helps the eye produce melanin, a protective pigment. The ARED study, age-related eye disease study, by the National Eye Institute showed that seniors who took zinc had a 25% reduced risk of advanced macular degeneration. How to eat pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons per day. Eat roasted or raw. Add to salads, cereals, or trail mix. Morning. Breakfast bowl, oats, plus ground flaxseed, plus chia gel, plus sliced bananas, plus almond milk, midday. Snack, handful of roasted pumpkin seeds, plus an apple. Lunch, leafy green salad with carrots, pumpkin seeds, and boiled eggs. Afternoon, smoothie with berries, yogurt, ground flaxseed, and chia gel. Dinner, grilled fish or lentils, plus steamed broccoli, plus sweet potato, plus side of flax chia crackers. Tip, drink plenty of water. Omega-3s and fiber need hydration to work effectively. In addition to seeds, here are habits to protect your vision. Wear sunglasses. UV rays can damage the retina. Don't smoke. Smoking increases risk of macular degeneration. Exercise regularly. Boosts blood flow to the eyes. Get regular eye exams. Early detection is key. Limit screen time or follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Eat a colorful diet. Leafy greens, orange fruits, and fish all help. Let's look at a few real-world stories. Jean, 71, from Arizona, started eating all 3 seeds daily in her oatmeal and smoothies. Within 3 months, her eye doctor noticed less dryness and more stable pressure levels. Marcus, 68, from Ontario, added chia and pumpkin seeds to his daily routine. He says his night vision and glare sensitivity while driving have improved. To wrap up, 3 tiny seeds, flax, chia, and pumpkin, can make a big difference in senior eye health. They're affordable, easy to use, and science-backed. Start small. Add 1 tablespoon of each per day, mix them into your meals, and be consistent. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, seed power below to let us know you're committed to your vision. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly natural health videos designed for seniors. Thank you for watching, and here's to clearer, brighter days ahead.